Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into one of the essential Excel features that can help you manage your spreadsheets more effectively. We're going to learn how to hide and unhide rows in Excel. Let's start with hiding rows. Sometimes you might have data in your spreadsheet that you don't need to see all the time. Hiding rows is a great way to keep your worksheet clean and focused. To hide a row, follow these simple steps. Select the row or rows you want to hide. Right-click on the selected row header. In the context menu, click on Hide. That's it. Your selected rows are now hidden. You can see the row numbers skipping from 2 to 4, indicating that row 3, Bob's data, is hidden. Or, if you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can also hide rows by selecting the row and then pressing Ctrl+9. Now, what if you want to unhide those rows? It's just as easy. Here's how you do it. Select the rows neighboring the hidden row. Right-click on the selected rows. In the context menu, click on Unhide. Your hidden row is now visible again. You can see that row 3 is back where it belongs. Or, use the keyboard shortcut, select the neighboring rows of the hidden row and then press Ctrl+Shift+9. There's another way to hide and unhide rows using the ribbon. Here's how. Select the row or rows you want to hide. Go to the Home tab on the ribbon. In the Cells group, click on Format. Hover over Hide and Unhide, then you have the options to hide and unhide both rows and columns. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to hide and unhide rows in Excel. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and see you next time.